Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the stained glass solder and copper foil for an even patina. Clean copper foil with acetone, then wash with 1 tablespoon dish soap in 1 quart warm water. Rinse thoroughly and dry with lint-free cloths, then remove flux residue by soaking for 5 minutes and scrubbing with a soft nylon brush to expose bare copper. Work in a well-ventilated area and wear nitrile gloves, eye protection, and a respirator rated for organic vapors to prevent inhalation of fumes or skin contact. Prepare 2 small buckets for testing. Dissolve 1 tablespoon copper sulfate crystals in 1 cup warm water for a green patina, stirring until fully dissolved and cooling to room temperature. For a black finish, dissolve 1/2 teaspoon liver of sulfur in 1 cup warm water and use immediately while warm. Stronger mixes darken faster. Always test solutions on a scrap piece and allow reactions for 5 to 30 minutes, observing color progression and rinsing between tests to calibrate time and concentration for your glass piece. Apply patina with a natural bristle brush or by immersion for consistent coverage, brushing in the direction of solder lines and avoiding runs on glass surfaces. After desired color is achieved, neutralize copper sulfate with 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon baking soda, then rinse thoroughly with distilled water and dry. For liver of sulfur, neutralize by rinsing and using a mild acid rinse like 1 part white vinegar to 10 parts water only if needed. Cure finished patina for 24 hours, then seal with paste wax or lacquer to protect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.